What it do? What's new? Welcome back to another video.
I'm proud of jazz, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me in your child. And then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think.
So, as you can tell from the title, I'm going to be dyeing my hair. Bleaching my hair. I'm going to be dyeing my hair red. How y'all feel about that? Like, yeah, so what I'm about to do right now is section my hair out into 4, and then y'all finna see. I'm finna speed it up though, because it's not really a tutorial. This more of a like dye my hair with me, because it can't be a tutorial because I don't know what I'm doing. Like, I know what I'm doing, but this is my first time, so I can't really do a tutorial and you know. I did end up falling asleep. So mid-video, I decided that I'm gonna do like half voiceover, half just regular stuff. So right now I'm currently putting in the bleach and the toner. They told me to put half and half, and then they like circle it, then to like mix it up until it starts to look like yogurt. So that's what I'm doing right here. And we did this for a little minute, and then we went to go put it in my head. And I didn't start at my roots because the YouTube video said to start with your ends and stuff, because you don't want the roots to get too bleached and then your hair start burning and shit like that. So as you see, I start adding it towards the end of the video. Now I'm in the shower. I'm moving kind of fast if you ask me. But now I'm in the shower. I'm gonna rinse this little shit out. This didn't really take that long, about like 2-3 minutes. I had put on a little swimsuit so y'all wouldn't see my goodies. And yeah, now we're getting up out that shower, and then I just ended up, you know, cleaning up my mess and stuff like that. Okay, so we putting this red back in, but I forgot to record and mention that I did ended up adding more dye into my hair because I didn't like how like light the hair was. And then once I did that, that's when I started adding in this red stuff, and I just worked my way up from the back to the front, as y'all see. And I made sure I got my roots and my edges and stuff like that. Okay, so after this clip, we just blow dry my hair. That's pretty self-explanatory. And then it's going to go into the next day because, y'all, my cousin had died after I finished blow drying my hair. So I didn't resume into the next day. Next day. So from the previous vlog, I haven't been vlogging because a lot happened. Y'all going to see by the time this up. But y'all see my lashes falling off. But we're about to flat iron my hair now. As y'all see, I finished dyeing it. I think I got like a minute video of it, but I didn't record too much afterwards. But we are back, and we got May. She doing her nails. It's Halloween, y'all. Like, what the fuck?
Halloween. Turn up.
Okay, so now we just flat iron my hair. So in the video, I was using a hot comb first before I went over with the flat irons. But later on in the process, I ended up doing the flat irons and then hot combing at the end because it worked better like that. And then it's also a little like stiff because I had put stuff in my hair. Y'all can see I'm all finished. This is the final look. I'm about to wrap it up and stuff so I can wear it later, and then I gotta do my edges and stuff still, but thumbnail. It's gonna be the end of that video. This is just a video of me dyeing my hair, then silk pressing it afterwards. How y'all think I did? Do y'all like the hair color or not? Comment it down below. But yeah, this is gonna be the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I will have more videos for y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next video.
High volume.
Am I really that?